What is going on, everybody? Thank you for watching Pressure Washing with Corey. Again, my name is Corey Edmonds, and I built a $2 million pressure washing company in just under 5 years. And today I am sharing with you how to hire a virtual assistant for under $10 an hour to help you take the load off in your business. So you're like wondering, why in the hell would I want to hire a virtual assistant? Well, I can tell you right now, if I could go back in time and restart my company, and I know what I know now, I would definitely 100% hire virtual assistants. As a small business owner, you are literally doing everything in your business. You are wearing multiple hats, okay? You're doing the jobs, you're being a technician, you're being a salesperson, doing the estimates, you're being an accountant, a bookkeeper, a marketer, you're being customer service, answering the phones. It is so stressful, okay, in the early stages when you can't afford to hire anybody. And so that's why I hire virtual assistants for under $10 an hour all over the world. Now, if you're interested in hiring a virtual assistant, I have made a course specifically on how to hire a virtual assistant. Check the link below. It's in the description. Make sure to check out that link and check out that course. You're going to want to watch this if you need help and you are stressed out in your business, okay? So a couple examples of virtual assistants that I would definitely incorporate immediately was, I hate answering the phones, okay? I hate scheduling the jobs. I hate being customer service. I hate it, especially when you're working on the job. We did a lot of roof cleanings. I did a lot of fleet washing. I did a lot of like equipment, heavy, greasy, muddy, dirty stuff, right? You can't be answering the phones when you're greasy, muddy, dirty, or on a roof. And then I hated the fact that, you know, I was giving my customers a bad experience because the pressure washers are ringing in the background. There's guys screaming and yelling, hooping and hollering. Like literally, it's so annoying. The first thing I would do is ditch that off to a virtual assistant under $10 an hour to answer all the phones, schedule all the estimates, be customer service. Literally, it's actually way easier than you think. So I'm gonna share with you in that course on how to get that all done, where to hire them, where to find them, what to look for, how to interview them, how to make sure that their internet speed and their phone systems are set up, how to communicate with them like they're right here in your office or in America, for instance, like how to text them, how to call them immediately. I'm gonna show you how to set all of that up, how to build out an SOP for them. An SOP is a standard operating procedure so that you make sure that you set your expectations correctly. I'm gonna literally build that all out for you on the video, and there's downloadable documents that you can just plug and play your own information into, okay? And literally take the stress off your back. And literally, I guarantee you, after you watch the course, it's literally 30 minutes. After you watch the course, it will take you literally 3 days to maybe implement and get your own virtual assistant hired up and trained. It's not that difficult, I swear, it's so easy. I have 5 virtual assistants that work for me right now, and literally I talk to them every single day, and they're super helpful, and they take a ton of stress off my plate, and there's 5 of them, and they all cost me like, you know, 30 bucks an hour, like for 5 of them. I can't even find somebody to give me good work for $20 an hour or $25 an hour anymore. You literally cannot find them here in America, okay? So that's why I would hire a virtual assistant. Anywho, all right, I will let you guys go. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See you next week.